Hello everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's spooky Halloween video, I have a Vampira Valfre inspired makeup look. So off camera, I'm going to get my hair ready, my brows covered, and my face prepped, and it'll look a little something like this. And I'm going to start with mixing up some paint. I'm using two brands of paint, some from Moon Creations and some from Mayron. Once I get all of that mixed up, I'm going to start prepping so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy this part. And if you do enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button. And of course, if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. Off camera, I did place down some primer before I added the body paint, and I did about 2 coats. Now it's time to jump up to those eyes, and I'm going to pick up first a jumbo eye pencil from NYX. This color is in cashmere, so I'm going to apply that on the top and bottom and then blend it out with my finger. I'm starting with a medium shade blue shimmer shadow and applying that in a circular shape around my eye. Then I'm kind of building a darker shape a little bit in the middle, and then I'm going to blend out that edge so it's not too sharp. And in the middle of my eyelid, I'm applying a very nice light blue shimmer shadow with the pad of my finger. For that lower waterline, oh my gosh, I love these 24/7 Glide-On pencils from Urban Decay. They're amazing. So I added a blue one to my bottom waterline. And then I'm going to contour with a matte medium shade blue shadow. Someone send a search party. I'm literally trying to find my collarbones, and when I think I have finally found them, I kind of contour around them a little bit so they pop out, and I also contour a little bit on my neck so I have a little more depth and dimension. Then contouring the nose there and moving on to liquid eyeliner. I did a mid-wing and I did my liner across the top and the wing itself a little bit thicker than usual. Fan it out to dry, match up the other side. Then I'm going to add some really fun bubblegum pink blush to the apples of my cheeks. Then off camera, it is time for some false lashes and some mascara. I kept things simple on the lower lash line, just kind of smudged out some matte black shadow. After that, I went back to the liquid liner and I created the cat eye on the inner portion, just pulled that in. And then I also added some lashes on the bottom. So really pulled those out and then shaped them a little bigger at the base. So we have some nice lower lashes. Now I learned from my last Valfre look, I needed to create a star stencil. So that is what I did. So the star stencil is back and I'm creating, let's see, 7 stars across my face. And then I'm going to use a liquid liner to match up all of the sides and a little bit of white Mayron paint to add some highlight. I forgot to hit the record button, but now that we are back on track, I'm going to continue with Vampira's top. I'm going to add 2 coats of this red for the top as well as Vampira's gloves. Vampira has a really fun spider charm necklace, so that's what I'm creating now. Gonna draw out the spider, create her necklace with some red, and then the next few steps I'm going to be outlining, shading, and highlighting. Vampira has some polka dots on her top, so that's what I'm adding here. A couple layers of black, and then later I will end up highlighting these polka dots as well. After adding a few details to my arms and then some highlight for the top and the spider necklace, I'm going to highlight my face. Hit above my brow a little bit, and then I got all the sweet spots, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my cheekbones a little bit, and I did not forget sexy, sexy time, the Cupid's bow. For my lips, I outlined them first with a liquid eyeliner. Then I picked up a jumbo eye pencil from NYX, added that, and then on top of that, set it with some black eyeshadow. After a couple additions, here is my Vampira inspired Halloween makeup look. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and checking out today's video, all of my makeup lovers and curl friends. I hope to see you next week for another video. Take care and stay spooky. Now I'm ready. Let's get these curls wig ready. Oh! Vomiting! It's a happy accident. It's a happy accident.